Nah, smoke ganja with Rasta. Nah, smoke ganja with Rasta. Early light bless the hills, them gold. Me rise with the sun, me spirit bold. Wash me face in the river stream. Me cleanse me mind, me live me dream. No process thing, me food come raw. I tell way, me anna jala. Banana kalaloo, coconut cream. Me nourish me temple, me live clean. Me spark a spliff with pure intention. Meditation, not just attention. No hype, just deep connection. Inna me chest, love's resurrection. Come on a ride with a nightal soul. Me heart beat warm, me eyes them all. Come chant a tune under Zion sky. In a pure vibration, me spirit fly. Ital soul, ital fire. Born Babylon nice, elevate higher. Me no rush, me take time with me steps. Each breath sacred, each footstep blessed. Me hear the wind whisper ancient song, telling me Rasta, you're right where you belong. Me no own much, but me rich in peace. Me kitchen humble, still joy increase. Me take me drum, beat one rhythm. Me know who I am, me nah need system. Them chase glitter, me whole wisdom. Them in a panic, me in Jah kingdom. Me dreadlock long like river flow. Me roots grow deep, them can't overthrow. In a smoke, me find clarity. Me no lost, me rise in sincerity. Me chant psalms in a natural space. Me walk slow, me keep Jah pace. Me no need fast lane, me need peace. Me no buy chaos, me choose release. In the herb, me find me guide. In a Jah Light, me always reside. Come on a ride with a nightal soul. Me cook up love in a coconut bowl. Me vibes them fresh, me thoughts them bright. Me step in truth from morn till night. Ital soul, ital flame. Me carry no hate, me no play no game. Sit pan rock with me brethren them. Reason about life from way back when. No phone, no screen, just real talk. Rasta art, long forest walk. We share fruits and split the herb. No fake smiles, we speak Jah word. We laugh, we cry, we sing them tunes. Under crescent moon, we chant full moons. Me daughter dance barefoot in grass. Me son build strength like roots in a class. Them grow with wisdom, not just rule. Them learn Jah ways, not just school. So ride with me, ital road long. But we sing life's truth like Rasta song. Me can't promise riches, me can't promise fame. But me offer freedom in Jah name. Me live simple, me heart stay wide. Jah compass is me in a guide. So if you seek light and peace inside, then welcome to the ital soul ride.
Na Zion, lion is back, my Rastas. Darkness drop like a velvet robe. Me step on earth, feel the globe. No light but the stars and moon. Me heart beat steady, chant Jah tune. Me walk among trees, me barefoot free. Me spirit rise in a Zion decree. All them call breeze whisper low. Me hear Jah voice in a wind that blow. No Babylon nice, just silence pure. Me soul find strength, me mind secure. Me all me spliff, give thanks for night. The urban moon, them shine me sight. Zion by moonlight, me soul take flight. No trouble here, just stars so bright. Me chant in a dark, me feel the flame. Me no need the gold, me pray Jah name. By moonlight me truly see what daylight hide come clear to me. Me sit on stone, me close me eyes, me breathe deep, feel Jah in skies. Me no see wall, me no see chain, me see love rise through Jah rain. Me reason with eye, me reason with tree, me reason with stars that shine pon me. Them tell me truth that books no write. Them show me peace in Jah pure light. No illusion, no fast life spin, just Rasta way, clean soul within. Me light one more pass to me brother. We share one flame, we light together. Me travel far without a step. Me soul go deep, me heart accept. Jah open gate where eyes can't see. In a moonlight code, me find the key. Drum echo in a me chest. Me know this part, me know me blessed. No fear here, just sacred ground, where Jah truth always be found. Zion by moonlight, no disguise. Me walk the path, me hear the cries, but in a silence, me find the cure. Me realize what life is for. By moonlight, me sing so clear. Jah love alone, me carry near. Me see vision of warrior drum. Me see Zion children still to come. Them rise with love, not guns and fear. Them chant truth, them make it clear. Me see Naya Bingi fire burn. Them chant one love, Babylon turn. Me hear me grandmother voice again. Say child walk wise and feel the rain. Me bless me head, me hold the vibe. Me carry the rhythm, me keep the tribe. Me build me song like mountain tall. Me drop them verses like sacred call. Now sun peaks over hills so wide, but me still feel the moon inside. Me carry that light through daily strife. Me hold Jah peace, me hold Jah life. Ganja's Rastasmans medicine, yeah man. Me rise up with sun pa me face. Me barefoot step on sacred place. No rush, no chase, no time for war. Me move with the rhythm from near and far. Me ear drum beat deep in the earth. Ancient sound from long before birth. Me lock me crown, me stretch me hand. Me feel Jah pulse move through the land. Me wrap me herb in banana leaf. Me chant one prayer for world relief. Me heart dance to the Naya Bingi fire. This vibration lift me higher and higher. Rhythm of the roots, it a call me soul. Me step in a chance, me lose control. Me dance for the love, me move for the light. Me chant in a rhythm all day and night. Roots like river, sound so true. Rhythm of the roots, it carry you. Yeah, okay. Me see me sister swing like tree. Me see me brother jump and free. We no need no diamond chain. Me only need the rhythm fi ease me brain. Me swing me dread, me lift me chest. Me know Jah bless, me know me bless. No Babylon tune can shake this core. This roots rhythm reach me to the core. Me sip some coconut fresh and sweet. Me feel the fire under me feet. Me drum, me chant, me spirit fly. Me link with Jah inna the open sky. Rasta no dance just for the show. We move with purpose, let it flow. We spin, we chant, we open gate. We free the mind, we drop the weight. Me light the chalice, me inhale deep. Me mind open wide, no time for sleep. This meditation come through bass. It bring me back to Zion place. Rhythm of the roots make me levitate. Every step a blessing I carry it. Me chant in a rhythm, me smoke the truth. Me dance in a circle with Jah youth. No lie can break this unity. Rhythm of the roots set I free. Eh, 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 eh. Nightfall come, firelight glow. Me people gather and spirit flow. Conga drum and bongo rise. We chant and praise under starlit skies. Me feel the ancestors in a beat. Them guide me foot, them move me feet. From Africa to Caribbean wave. This rhythm rise from German grave. Me see the lion, me see the lamb. Me hold me heart in a Japan. Me chant one love from me chest. In a rhythm, me soul rest. Na Zion echoes is so high, yeah, man. Me enter temple, silence fall. Me spirit rise as me answer the call. Incense burn, me heart feel light. Me step inside Jah healing light. Me roll the herb, slow and wise. Me chant a psalm under mystic skies. One puff, me leave the pain. Me mind no longer feel the chain. Me sit on stone, me close me eye. Me hear the ancestors whisper why. Them say hold firm, seek Jah face. This herb will guide you to the sacred place. In a herb temple, me find peace. Ganja flow, all stress cease. Me chant in a haze, me float so free. Herb temple open eternity. No hate, no war, just pure vibration. Me live in a herb temple meditation. Me grind the leaf with reverence deep. Me build the chalice, me nah skip sleep. Me fire blaze, the chalice glow. Me breath in rhythm, me mind move slow. Me circle full of humble soul. We chant in harmony, full control. No ego, no mask, no disguise. Just truth light up in our Jah eyes. Me sight the moon rise up above. Me heart full up with roots and love. Me sip the bush tea, fresh and warm. Me soul wrapped in Jah arm. Me no smoke fi fun, me smoke fi rise. Herb temple bring light to me eyes. Me meditate, me elevate. Me reach in a place where it can't wait. Me flow through rhythm, slow and clean. Me dance in a vision, me soul never seen. Me levitate pan healing base. Me see me truth, me find me space. In a herb temple sound like prayer. Me chant and burn the smoking air. Me sing with lion, me sleep like lamb. Me holy vibe like sacred psalm. No lies, no illusion, no separation. Just I and I in a meditation. Me no need no high-rise wall. Me find Jah kingdom where leaf fall. Me pick the plant with humble heart. Me know this journey just the start. Me see the youth learn the code. How to grow love and light and load. Me teach the way, me share the fire. Me pass the chalice, me lift them higher. Inna the hills where time can rule. Me build me temple, me just school. Me smoke for clarity, smoke for light. Me herb meditation bring me sight. So me light one more before me rest. Me give thanks for life, me know me blessed. Me inhale truth, exhale stress. Herb temple guide me through the test. great and holy star. Yeah, Rasta man is so high in the jungle. Yeah, man. Me see her walk on Jah earth so fine. Barefoot queen like the star she shine. She carry the wisdom of roots and vine. Her eyes reflect that love divine. Under the moonlight she roll the leaf. In a silence we find relief. No need for rush, we take it slow. Through urban chant, our spirits grow. Rasta love whispers through the trees, like sacred wind upon the breeze. No need for words, me heart she know. Together we move where the rivers flow. She me queen, me natural vibe. No makeup, no lies, just pure tribe. We chant and laugh beneath just skies. Rasta love never fade, it never dies. Me tell her stories of stars and sun. She paint me future with her gentle hand. We light the chalice, give thanks and pray. Each sunrise bring a brighter day. She plant her food with care and song. She teach the youth what's right from wrong. Her voice like bird song in the trees. She bring me soul, eternal peace. Me no need diamond, me no need gold. Her love more precious, never old. She hold me down like sacred ground. With every touch, me joy is found. Light it up, me empress true. Me sky turn blue when me sight of you. Rasta love, no drama scene. Jah make me queen from roots so clean. Hold me hand, we blaze the way. With one heart, we nah go stray. Yeah. Rasta love whispers in the night, like moonlight draped in soft delight. We not fight, we not pretend. We just flow like rivers bend. In a hammock or beneath the stars, we heal each other's deepest scars. No stress, no fear, no mask to wear. Just Rastafari love forever there. Me empress crown, she wear it tall. She chant for peace, she pray for all. She guide me soul, she spark me fire. She lift me up, she take me higher. Through every storm, she not let go. She keep it steady, she make it flow. From Blue Mountain to Westmoreland, together we walk hand in hand. We reason deep, we laugh out loud. We dance beneath each thunder cloud. Our temple built on sacred ground, where only truthful hearts are found. So if you find a queen so true, hold her close, give thanks for you. Love that born from roots so deep is the love you always keep.
Aye, 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 aye. Rastaman smoke kaya and grilled chicken, yeah man. In the silence of the night, me hear the call. Whispers from the trees, them rise and fall. Ancient spirits dancing a wind, telling stories about the fire within. Me light a candle, chant a prayer, cleanse me soul from worldly fear. Me not chase no goal or fame. Me seek the truth, not play no game. Me feel the drum beat deep in me bones. Guide me path when me walk alone. The mystic fire, it blaze so bright. Burning lies, revealing light. Mystic fire blaze up in me. Show I the way, set I spirit free. Inna the dark, I still sight the spark. Jah guide me steps like Noah's Ark. Me climb the mountain, chant Rastafari. Thunder clap and the eagle fly. Me hold a chalice, reason with star. No say Jah, never far. Babylon try fi confuse the youth, but me drop rhythm like holy truth. Me words them heal, them rise like tide. Even in pain, me nah run, me ride. Me wear me crown of roots and leaf. Me live me days beyond belief. Meditation, me daily food. Me walk with lion hearts through the hood. Mystic fire blaze up inna me. Show I the way, set I spirit free. Inna the dark, I still sight the spark. Jah guide me steps like Noah's Ark. When the world fall quiet, me still chant strong. Me know where me belong. Me heart beat like thunder drum, and to the fire me always come. Them system try control me breath, but Rasta chant put lies to death. Me soul not sell, me part divine. Me reason with trees, an ancient sign. Them build the walls, me walk through still. Me hold firm, Jah give me will. Me skank through fire, me feel no flame. Cause me heart already tame. Me voice echo in a valley deep. Awaken ones, them long asleep. Me words like keys, unlock the mind. Set the chain, soul free from bind. Me not carry grudge, me carry grace. Me blaze herbs in a secret place. Me lift me ends and give up praise to Jah who guide through all me days. Mystic fire blaze up inna me. Show I the way, set I spirit free. Inna the dark, I still sight the spark. Jah guide me steps like Noah's Ark. When the world fall quiet, me still chant strong. Me know where me belong.
One spliff, one breath, one song. Me carry Jah Light all day long. Early morning me roll up the leaf. Steam rise, me soul find relief. Irie vibration a guide me day. Me step with Jah, me heart not stray. No clock rule I meditation. Me float on a higher station. Reggae beating on me chest. Me not stress, me just rest. Me sip on roots tonic deep in a trance. Watch the coconut tree them dance. Me ride through sound like river flow. Let the wind and rhythm blow. On a Irie journey me fly so free. Smoke in a cloud breeze from the sea. Love in a me pocket, truth in a me song. Me skanking all day, Jah keep I strong. Me reason with elders, them wisdom tall. Them teach me how to rise when me fall. No need for vanity or the fame. Just light the flame and call your name. Me walk through village, me smile wide. Me share me fruits, me share me vibe. Me plant some ganja near the stream. Watch it grow in a Irie dream. Me no bother with the worldly speed. Me just breathe and plant the seed. Rasta liberty, natural code. Me write me story on the road. On an Irie journey, me fly so free. Smoke in a cloud breeze from the sea. Love in a me pocket, truth in a me song. Me skanking all day, Jah keep I strong. Me see visions when me close me eye. Colors dance across the sky. Rhythm like river above the crowd. Me not judge, me overstand. This Irie life, me build with hand. Me light up one, give thanks for life. Me bless each moment, no space for strife. Me chant for the children, the youth, the peace. For the pain in my world to finally cease. Me carry drum beat like it's gospel. Me play it real, never hostile. Me step clean, me mind sharp. Me spirit dance in a Zion Park. Me now wait pon Babylon sign. Me follow Jah sun when it shine. And when me fall, me rise again. Me walk through fire, me feel no pain. On a Irie journey, me fly so free. Smoke in a cloud breeze from the sea. Love in a me pocket, truth in a me song. Me skanking all day, Jah keep I strong.
Yeah, man. Aye, Rastaman is very higher, man. Aye. Me rise with the breeze, silence in a me dome. Mountains whispering like ancestors call me home. Coconut oil palm me skin, me heart at ease. Me chanting on nature, me soul find peace. Birds are sing them sacred tune. Rasta bow to Jah sun and moon. No concrete, just earth beneath me feet. I eat all food, sweet fruit me eat. This life a gift, me live it wise. Me eyes no blinded by Babylon lies. Me nah need no glitter, no gold. Me spirit rich, me heart stay bold. Roots and whispers guide thy soul. Herb and drum make I hold. Me chanting silence, moving light. Jah love me sacred right. Roots and whispers day and night. Me burn me fire, keep it bright. No system touch me meditation. Rasta walk with elevation. Me sip me tea from bush me grow. Me no rush, I move slow. Rhythm from the hills play in a high brain. Every beat I wash like gentle rain. Me reason deep with me brethren. Both stars, both herbs, both where we've been. Each moment sacred, no time for waste. Me walk through Zion in perfect grace. Lion heart, serpent wise. Me see truth through many disguise. But me not preach hate, me preach one love. Like a dove rise from flames above. Roots and whispers make me fly. Me soul not chain, me spirit high. Me chant to Jah, me voice go far. Beyond the system, beyond the war. Roots and whispers, pure and strong. Rasta live long, live strong. Me move like wind, me flow like stream. Me wake the people from Babylon dream. Beat the drum like the flame. Call the ancestors, call them names. Still I see a guide I to this road. Me carry love, me carry code. No violence in a me meditation. Just balance heart vibration. Me plant herb, me plant hope. Me build a dam, me cut rope. Sometimes me cry for the world's pain. So me chant more to break the chain. Me not escape, me elevate. Me create space for wants to wake. This liberty humbly yet mighty. The breeze know I name the sky right. Me each leaf a script, each breeze up sound. Me live in a silence but me heart stay warm. Me smoke one spliff, me close me eye. Me feel Jah presence in the sky. No preacher, no book, just connection. This reggae life is resurrection. Roots and whispers, all light tight. Me soul walk free in a Jah light. Me rise with sun, me sleep with moon. Me dance feel love, me chant me tune. Roots and whispers, whisper again. Teach the youth, guide the men. Me leave me words in a the breeze. Rasta truth, it never cease. Whisper in the roots, roots in the wind. Ganja light up and healing begin. Me not lost, me just away. In a Zion I find me way.
pushing on the chalice, yeah man. Sunrise, I peek through me window pane. Me stretch and yawn, feel no pain. Me kettle boil, me chalice load. I eat all breakfast, pan the stove. Birds a sing, rhythm start fi play. Me give thanks for Jah this beautiful day. Me step outside with me spliff in hand. The whole earth feel like promised land. Ganja morning, skank, skank all day. Bless up me soul in a natural way. Me spirit high like a mountain top. Reggae pan repeat, it nah go stop. We smoke, we laugh, we chant, we live. Me heart full up, got love forgive. No system stress can hold me down. Me wear me crown, Rasta in the town. The youth them gather for the corner side. One rhythm, one fire, one vibe inside. Me light the flame with conscious thought. Every pull of the herb bring what Babylon not taught. Me brethren played in a yabingi drum. Sistren sing while the spirit come. We reason deep about life and faith. No hate round here, just clean slate. Me look on the hills, feel Jah call. This life me live, me nah go fall. From the first cliff to me final breath. Me walk with love, me nah fear death. Bless up the farmer, we grow it right. No chemicals, just pure sunlight. Me blaze it for healing, for truth, for joy. Ganja me weapon, me tool, me toy. Who Babylon say illegal, but me say free. This plan connect I to divinity. So skank with me, left worries behind. A Rastasmans joy, me easy to find. Ganja morning skank, wake up strong. The heartbeat beat to Jah Jah song. Me spirit rise like a burning flame. Me no need riches, me no need fame. We skank, we bone, we elevate. Me cleanse me mind, me meditate. Each puff a prayer, each step a dance. Rasta life now leave to chance. Now midday comes, sun a blaze full heat. Me shirt off barefoot, feel concrete. Children laugh, them run and play. I eat all juice, cool down me way. Me sit with me elders, wisdom time. Them tell me truth in rhythm and rhyme. No rush youth, just know your lane. Ganja guide you through joy and pain. Me take that in, give thanks again. Me life simple, me not chase fame. Me chase peace, me chase one tone. Rasta man stand firm like stone. Ganja morning skank, from dawn till night. The soul shine bright in a holy light. Me walk me path with heart so free. Skanking to the sound of liberty. We burn it slow, we sing it loud. We lift the vibe above the cloud. No worry here, just good vibration. Reggae love is me true salvation.
Aye, aye, aye. Yeah, man, give me the paper, Stasik. Oh, yo, yo. Oh, yo. Yeah, man. The fire burn, it never go out. Burning bright through the struggle and doubt. Lift up your heart. The journey begin. Jah Jah power, the fire within. Them try to break we, but we stand firm. Every trial is a lesson to learn. This system heavy, but this soul is free. Jah Jah spirit bring we victory. From the streets of Kingston to the African plain. The struggle the same, the love remain. The roots grow deep, the branches tall. One world, one people rise above all. The fire within, it never go out. Burning bright through the struggle and doubt. Lift up your heart, the journey begin. Jah power, the fire within. Music are the weapon, love are the key. Unlock the chain, set the captives free. The beat are the heart, the rhythm divine. Reggae are the bridge where the spirits align. Not fear the shadow, not fear the night. The star of Jah shine pure and bright. The fire of truth make the darkness fade. We keep on marching in the light Jah made. Oh, the fire ignite. Feel the power, feel the light. Oh, the message clear. Jah love, Jah near. The fire within, it never go out. Burning bright through the struggle and doubt. Lift up your heart, the journey begin. Jah power, the fire within. So rise my people, now let them win. Jah guide you through thick and thin. The fire a burn, it never fade. In the warmth of Jah we unafraid.
Zion echoes. Me wake up, first thing me do, bless the herb, me know it true. Meditation, me soul renew. Babylon, can't stop me view. Rhythm strong, me hear it loud. Me chant my song, me stand so proud. Them can't break me, them can't bring doubt. Me rise up high, me never bow out. Keep the fire blazing, make it never low. Jah love a shine, make the whole world glow. Reggae on the street, make the good vibes flow. Me trod it firm, me never move slow. Keep the fire blazing, make the music play. One love strong, make the people stay. No matter what, me nah go stray. Reggae still rule, from night till day. Babylon system, full up with lies. Them can't see truth, them close them eyes. Me hold the torch, me light the way. Me chant my psalms, me kneel and pray. Herb in a me hand, wisdom grow. Real Rasta man, me spirit show. Me step up strong, me heart a glow. One love still reign, we never low. Keep the fire blazing, make it never low. Jah love a shine, make the whole world glow. Reggae on the street, make the good vibes flow. Me trod it firm, me never move slow. Keep the fire blazing, make the music play. One love strong, make the people stay. No matter what, me nah go stray. Reggae still rule, from night till day. Drums a beat, bassline roll. Reggae make you lose control. Feel the rhythm, free your soul. One love, still the only goal. Me burn the stress, me burn the pain. Herbs still burn, the love remain. One heart, one soul, one aim. Keep the fire, spread the flame. Zion echoes. crumble, the towers fall, but Jah love stand above it all. The fire blaze high while the Babylon flee. In a Jah embrace, my spirit set free. Babylon no match for Jah love divine. Herb make the wicked man lose their mind. We trod through the system, it not confine. Freedom vibes are glow, my soul refined. We trod through Kingston, the streets them hot, but Jah guide me steps, no heart not drop. The politician make promise, but them can't fulfill. Them fear Jah people when I be still. The ganja blaze bring truth to light. Expose Babylon, them can't hide tonight. With each little herb of me wisdom grow. Jah flame in my heart, forever aglow. Babylon think them can change our voice, but Jah people rise, they make them choice. Feed the roots of love, me chant so bold. In Zion truth written, me spirit unfold. Babylon no match for Jah love divine. Herb make the wicked man lose their mind. Me trod through the system, make not confine. Freedom vibes are glow, my soul refined. The weed and me teach and me meditation pure. Selassie I light, Jah trot secure. The strains them strong with power and grace. Cali Kush purple haze make the spirits them brace. Me laugh at Babylon while them run and hide. The Jah warriors stand pon Jah side. With a spliff in my hand and my faith in Jah. Me call out lies and take the scar. Me see the hills rise high above the plain, where Jah people live free from pain. So Babylon walls can't block Jah sun. The fight already won, the Rasta run. Babylon no match for Jah love divine. Herb make the wicked man lose their mind. Me trod through the system, it not confine. Freedom vibes are glow, my soul refined. Babylon no match for Jah love divine. Herb make the wicked man lose their mind. We trod through the system, it not confine. Freedom vibes are glow, my soul refined. The fire still burn, the herbs still grow. Babylon ashes scatter in Jah flow. In Zion heights, me find Jah grace. No Babylon force can take my place. Morning come with a golden light. Rhythm rise, spirits take flight. In the silence, the drum beat chat. Jah calling for rebel hearts. Under the sky where the lion roam. Ancient tones make we feel at home. Babylon try lead man astray, but roots hold firm, not drift away. Through valley low and mountain high, Jah love keep burning, it can't die. Reggae flow like a blessing stream. Wake up the world from the longest dream. Rhythm of the rising sun, guide we till the day done. Dub echoes in the open air. Jah love Kasiak shining everywhere. Fire blazing a warrior's heart. Freedom rise, take a brand new start. Bassline thunder, rebel boy cry. Bust the chain, reach the sky high. La vida like breeze pan sea. Under the moon just set we free. Horn them call like Zion shout. The truth ablaze, it can out. Rhythm of the rising sun, guide we till the day done. Dub echoes in the open air. Jah love Cossack shining everywhere. Feel the skank where the offbeat bring. Through the rhythm, truth I sing. Reverb trail, voice strong and deep. Carry the peace for the heart for keep. Rise up tall, make the spirit soar. Jah vibration endure evermore. Together we chant, fight the good fight. Reggae power, we see the light. Oh, rhythm of the rising sun. Guide we till the day done. Dub echoes in the open air. Jah love Cossack shining everywhere. Oh Jah, the sound can't ever fade. Inna the rhythm a path laid. One word, one people under the drum. We follow the rhythm till the kingdom come. Ay ay ay, do ayahuasca.
Me like the herb, I feel the rise. Me take a puff, me reach the skies. Me chant for the vibes, me chant for the sound. Me rise above, me never come down. Me pass the chalice, me feel the heat. Me chant the rhythm, me move the feet. Me smoke the green, me feel the flow. Me rise through the night, me let the smoke go. Highway to the sky, me rise to the top. Me blaze the fire, me never stop. Me smoke the ganja, me free from the pain. Me rise above, me break the chain. Me step in at the circle, me feel the vibes. Me light the spliff, me rise na strides. Me pass the herb, me pass the flame. Me chant the rhythm, me call the name. Me move in the smoke, me free in the fire. Me chant for the peace, me never tire. Me feel the rhythm, me feel the grace. Me rise above, me find my place. Highway to the sky, me rise to the top. Me blaze the fire, me never stop. Me smoke the ganja, me free from the pain. Me rise above, me break the chain. Me pass the chalice, me feel the peace. Me smoke the herb, me feel the release. Me rise to the heavens, me feel the light. Me chant for the herb, me free from the fight. Me light the fire, me feel the heat. Me pass the chalice, me take a seat. Me blaze the green, me move in the flow. Me chant for the herb, me let it show. Highway to the sky, me rise to the top. Me blaze the fire, me never stop. Me smoke the ganja, me free from the pain. Me rise above, me break the chain. Me light the herb, me rise so high. Me blaze the green, me touch the sky. Me feel the vibes, me chant the song. Me live for the herb, me live for the long.
It's Vitos time. Yeah man, yeah man, yeah man, yeah man.
The fire are burn, but Vitos stay cool. Marcus blaze the trail, me nah play the fool. We rise up strong, me feel the vibe. Jazz herb inna me hand, me feel the jive. From the streets to the hills, me chant the sound. Me spread the love, we spread it around. Me no fear fi walk, me no fear fi fall. With Jah inna me heart, me stand tall. Vitos see the road, it's clear and bright. Jah herba lead me through the night. Me feel the rhythm, me feel the beat. Jah's love inna me soul, it's so sweet. Blaze the trail, blaze it bright. Me carry the fire, me carry the light. From the start to the end, we blaze the way. We no fear fi rise, we rise today. Blaze the trail, blaze it bright. Just love a shine, the future so right. The world a move slow, but me make it fast. Me focus on the future, me leave the past. Jah herb a guide me feel the flow. Me know me path, me know the show. Every step me take it bold. The fire a burn, but the truth a gold. Me chant for the people, me chant for the sound. Me blaze the trail, me spread the crown. Blaze the trail, with Jah fi guide. Me walk with head high, me never hide. With the urban the vibes, me rise as one. Just light a shine, the journey done. Blaze the trail, blaze it bright. Me carry the fire, me carry the light. From the start to the end, we blaze the way. We no fear fi rise, we rise today. Blaze the trail, blaze it bright. Just love a shine, the future so right. Blaze the trail, blaze the trail.
Yo, this one be the people, rise up from the struggle. Jah guide we path, make we walk out of the jungle. Jah light in the darkness, it shines so bright. Me walk through the valley, me fear no night. Herb in me soul, me keep the fight. Jah light in the darkness, me future right. The system I try feel lock we down, them build them chains. But the fire in me heart it remain. Me no complain, me roll up the ganja, me escape from the pain. Herb and me heal and make the stress flow like rain. Me ancestors whisper, me hear them call. Them say rise up youth, no make Babylon stall. Me see the struggle clear, me see the downfall. But me stand up strong, me not bow at all. Me destiny written at the stars above. Jah guide me way, Jah fill me with love. Me like the herb, it connect me to the dove. Me heart pure, me walk with Jah glove. Jah light in the darkness, it shines so bright. Me walk through the valley, me fear no night. Herb in me soul, me keep the fight. Jah light in the darkness, me future right. Babylon try fi blind with glitter and gold, but them riches fake, Jah blessings never cold. Me meditate deep, me story unfold. Herb open me eyes, Jah truth me whole. Me walk in the street, me see the youth cry. Them lose them hope, them ask Jah why. But me tell them say, Jah no let we die. Rise up strong, touch the sky high. Every spliff me light, me say a prayer. Jah blessings pour down like a holy shower. Me roots firm in the earth, me gain the power. The time fi rise is now, this a the hour. Ganja make me wise, ganja keep me calm. Me walk through the storm with Jah in me palm. Herb in me pocket, it keep me warm. Babylon shake, them can do me no harm. Jah light in the darkness, it shines so bright. Me walk through the valley, me fear no night. Herb in me soul, me keep the fight. Jah light in the darkness, me future right. Me reflect on life, the trials me face. Jah always there, Jah give me the grace. Me herb, me sacrament, me holy space. Babylon can't touch me, them lose them case. Me hear the drum beat, it call me name. Jah rhythm in me blood, me feel no shame. Me chant for the people, me elevate them frame. Me legacy eternal, me spread Jah flame. Me children them grow, them learn Jah way. Me teach them love, me show them fi pray. Me tell them say herb fi keep Babylon away. And Jah light in our life, it forever stay. Zion echoes. Ay ay ay, Stasi. Yandurasi. Them build them towers, them claim them strong, but Babylon crumble. them can't last long. The people rise up, the time it near. Jah call for justice, make the wicked fear. Babylon a fall, hear the trumpet blow. Rasta stand tall, let the people know. The system weak, the roots run deep. Truth I rise while the wicked sleep. Them preach division, them spread the lies. But Jah light shine, open the eyes. The poor and humble, rise from the ground. Babylon tremble when Jah love surround. The fire blaze high, the wicked are run. Them can't escape Jah, righteous son. Rasta bring peace, but the fight can't cease. Till the whole world chant, feed the love increase. Babylon a fall, hear the trumpet blow. Rasta stand tall, let the people know. The system weak, the roots run deep. Truth I rise while the wicked sleep. The chains are broken, the truth set free. Jah kingdom come, just wait and see. Babylon a fall, the world rejoice. Rasta chant love with Jah mighty voice. Babylon a fall, hear the trumpet blow. Rasta stand tall, let the people know. The system weak, the roots run deep. Truth I rise while the wicked sleep. Babylon a fall, hear the trumpet blow. Rasta stand tall, let the people know. The system weak, the roots run deep. Truth I rise while the wicked sleep. Babylon a fall, hear the trumpet blow. Rasta stand tall, let the people know. The system weak, the roots run deep. Truth I rise while the wicked sleep. Zion echoes. Zion echoes.
Yeah, I know that I'm walking steady, peace in my heart with each new dawn, a brand new start. Path of light, chasing dreams high in the rhythm of hope, reach for the sky. Golden sunrise paints the way, in its light we begin the day. Roots so deep reaching for the sky, with every breath we spread our wings and fly. Love and unity guide our path, strength and courage we feel the ride. Who are we in a world so grand? Guide me, Jah, with your gentle hand. Come on, I'm walking steady, peace in my heart. And I, with each new dawn, a brand new star. Oh, path of light, chasing dreams high in the rhythm of hope, to reach for the sky. The wind whispers, the ocean sings, leaving behind everything that clings. Far from fear, closer to grace, the light shines bright in every face. In the rhythm of the drum, the earth awakes, with every step on your path we make. United like rivers that meet the sea, we rise together, so wild and free. Stars above, they lead our way, with every dawn we find what we say. Rastafari's love, it lights the night, peace and hope we take flight. Young on, I'm walking steady, peace in my heart. I, with each new dawn, a brand new star. Oh, path of light, chasing dreams high in the rhythm of hope, we reach for the sky.
Jah with your gentle hand. Come on, I'm walking steady, peace in my heart. And I, with each new dawn, a brand new star. Oh, path of light, chasing dreams high in the rhythm of hope. We reach for the sky. The wind whispers, the ocean sings, leaving behind everything that clings. Far from fear, closer to grace. The light shines bright in every face.
The trumpet sound, the time draw near. Babylon shake, them full up with fear. The ghetto youths rise, them vision clear. Rasta trod strong, Jah always there. Them build up walls, but we kick them down. The truth still shine, can't hide the crown. Them system weak, can't run this town. The righteous rule, we wear the gown. Me see them leaders talk with lies, promise hope, but them can't provide. The people suffer, the children cry, but Jah warriors never hide. Me chant the psalms, me chant it loud. Me trod upon truth, me not back down. The fire blaze, it burn the cloud. Babylon shake when the trumpet sound. Babylon collapse, can't run no more. The system weak, it fall to the floor. The people chant, the lions roar. Jah rise, we open the door. Babylon collapse, can't last too long. Jah warriors strong, we chant the song. No retreat, we march along. The wicked fall, the righteous strong. Babylon collapse, no more disguise. The truth stand firm, can't compromise. One love rise, it full up the skies. The fire blaze, it burn them ties. The streets them rough, but me nah lose faith. Me carry Jah light, me chant the great. Them want me fall, but me still elevate. The wicked can't touch the righteous gate. The time is now, no time to wait. Babylon sink, can't change them fate. The trumpet blow, them can't debate. The judgment near, can't run escape. Me hear the drums, the warriors come. The ghetto youths wise, them can't play dumb. Them rise up strong, them march in sync. Them chant Selassie, them break the link. Me hold me ground, me stand so tall. Me see the system start to fall. The chains them break, we free from all. Babylon drown, can't hear them call. Dedicated drum, make the fire rise. The wicked can't run, them can't disguise. The trumpet sound, it shake the skies. Jah rule forever, the ghetto wise. Babylon collapse, can't last too long. Jah warriors strong, we chant the song. No retreat, we march along. The wicked fall, the righteous strong. Babylon collapse, no more disguise. The truth stand firm, can't compromise. One love rise, it full up the skies. The fire blaze, it burn them ties. The system done, it can't